So guys, today we're going from this to this. So to install the oil coolant protection, you need to remove the screw, and there's a similar one on the other side. So the good people of R&G, they tell you that you should have some cushions on the inside. So what they will send you is giant cushions. So if you put them here, you will probably cover up the whole protection. So the good people of R&G needed you to cut these the smallest stripes. So the big question is, why didn't the good people of R&G do this for us? And why do you have to do it yourself? These are the things that bugs the hell out of me. I'll attach these where they're supposed to be, and I'll show you. So this is what you should end up with on the inside, outside, inside, this side towards the coolant. So you loosen one side, and these are open, and so you slide it. I slide it in from one side, then I removed completely this screw on this side, and they will just hook underneath. See the slip? So you just slide it from behind and then in there and tighten the screws. So guys, you have to remove these two screws, one on each side. Put the oil coolant and the other one, and then re-screw them back in. Some people, like Gillis, they send you instructions that you can use, and then you get the R&G stuff. There's a picture of a zip tie. I have no clue where to zip tie this. I'm guessing I need to zip tie this around this part, but I think I would be better without that picture. I'll try to figure this out and then get back to you. So this is how I solved it. In from one hole around this part, the outside, and then tighten the zip tie. The fitting for this thing is terrible. As you can see, it's like bent outwards, so it's not that big of a problem because it's pretty bendy. I will get there, but goddamn, it should be easier if it would fit straight away. That's the whole point of doing this. So try to zip tie this thing tighter. So guys, I put in double zip ties here. I don't want this to come loose and hit my front tire at 300 k's an hour. So there's the finished product.